Meaning of double-edged.
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 Double-edged. The term double-edged refers to something that has both positive and negative aspects or outcomes. It's like a sword with two sharp edges that can be used for good or harm. On one hand, it can be advantageous because it provides opportunities or benefits. On the other hand, it can also have drawbacks or consequences that are undesirable. Therefore, the double-edged nature of something means that it can bring not only advantages but also unexpected or adverse effects. So, it's important to weigh the pros and cons before making decisions or taking actions.